Hey guys, thank you for joining us again at Car System Installation. We're going to show you heated seats installed on a Dodge Grand Caravan 2017. So for this vehicle, basically first of all to do heated seats, we're removing the seats out of the vehicle. We have two pads in here, and those pads are for the one for the bottom and one for the back. And we have the seat here. We're removing all the fabric, and we have the room here to put the pads here in this location. We're gonna have the switch on the side, and basically everything's gonna be hidden, nice and clean, not visible, and that's how the heated seats will work. In a few seconds we'll show you the pads that are installed on this one. Okay, so we have laid down the heated pads. We didn't stick them yet, it's just to show you how it's gonna look. So the heated pads will be like this. As you see, it covers all the way to the back and all the way to the front. So you have the full cover of the seat. Same thing in the back. It covers all the way to the top, covers all the way to the bottom. That way you have a full cover of the seat for the back. And the next stage we're going to show you is when the system is all fully installed, the seat is all covered back, and I'm just going to show you the button. Okay, so this is the end result. We have one button for each seat on the seat itself. We have high, we have low, and we have off. So this system will now give the heated seats for the back and the bottom. And because you can actually leave the button for on if you also have a remote starter in the vehicle, when you start the vehicle, this will automatically turn on together with it. When you turn the ignition off, this will turn off, so you don't have to worry about draining your battery or overheat or anything. Thank you for joining us. Subscribe to our channel, and we'll see you next time. Have a good day.